Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing an isolated environment and installing the driver. Create and activate a venv, then run pip install PyMongo dns Python so DNS seedlists work with Atlas. Once done, verify Python sees PyMongo by importing it in REPL. If you use Atlas, copy the connection URI that contains username, password, and default auth source. If you run locally, make sure MongoDB is listening on 127. 27,017. These steps get you ready. You now write the connection code and explain why each option matters. Instantiate Mongo client with the correct URI string. For Atlas use, MongoDB plus SRV, which triggers DNS resolution, and for local use, MongoDB with host, port. Set server selection timeout MS to avoid long hangs, and enable TLS when required. Once connected, call client. Server info to confirm connectivity and errors early. Then select a database with client MyDB and a collection with DBMyCollection. This prepares CRUD operations reliably. You finish by performing CRUD and validating results, and I'll tell you what to try if it breaks. Use insert one and find to confirm documents appear, then update one with a filter and projection to verify fields. For high throughput, switch to bulk write. If you need strict consistency across multiple docs, open a session and use transactions. If you encounter connection or auth errors, double-check the URI credentials, IP access list, TLS setting, and increase server selection timeout MS to surface meaningful errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.